Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to get started with your own ChatGPT-like experience hosted locally on your machine using Open WebUI. First, we're going to go ahead and go to the Open WebUI GitHub. I'll put this link in the description below. Here you can see this is a self-hosted AI platform designed to operate entirely offline. This supports tools like Ollama and OpenAI's compatible APIs. And not only that, this comes with a built-in inference engine for RAG. Now for this video, we're going to be using Ollama. Now to get started, we could go ahead and scroll down, and if you want to stop along the way and read some of the information here, feel free to do so. But we're going to go straight to the installation. Here you can see the instructions on how to install this. It is heavily recommended to use Python 3.11 to avoid compatibility issues. But for this video, I'm actually using Python 3.12. Now to get started, we're going to want to create a virtual environment, so go ahead and open up your terminal. We'll go ahead and write this command. This will create the Python virtual environment that we will be installing this on. In this example, I already have one created, so I won't run this. Once your environment is created, go ahead and activate it with this command. As you can see on the left side, we have env signaling that we have activated the virtual environment. Now coming down here, we'll go ahead and run this command. And once you have that typed in, go ahead and hit enter. For this video, I've already installed this, so to save some time, I won't be running this. And the installation will take a bit, so once it's done, then we could go ahead and continue. Go ahead and run Open WebUI serve. And hit enter. And now our server is up and running, as you can see here. And to access this, we'll actually want to go to localhost at port 8080. Now you can see down here, we see get started. Go ahead and click on that. Here we can enter in our information. We could just choose any name we want. So here I'll just say CloudOps. For my email, I'm just going to enter in a generic email. And for my password, I'm just going to enter in a generic password. Now I could create my admin account. Here you can read any of the updates that they've released. You can scroll down and check their history, but I'm going to go ahead and continue. Now that we're in here, we could actually see that it's defaulted to the only model that I have installed on here. So if we wanted to open up a new window for our terminal and verify which model I have installed, there you can see Llama 3.2 latest, which is what is up here. And now let's go ahead and test this out. And as you can see, we got a response from our LLM. And just like that, you have a working ChatGPT-like interface hosted locally on your machine. And from here, if you want to install any other models, feel free to do so. Simply Ollama pull, and then whichever models you see listed on the Ollama website.